What's good, Foodicins? It's your girl TK, and I'm back with another journal entry. And today I wanted to make some chicken salad. But it's not just, your regular chicken salad. I wanted to make it a little bit fancy. Or, a little extra, because I tend to do that sometimes. So anyway, let's go ahead and jump right into the recipe. This ingredient is completely optional, which is why I don't have it listed with the measurement. I like to add a little fresh squeeze of lime or squeeze of lemon juice, and I didn't have either, so I just added a little true lime. So again, it's completely optional. All right, guys, and here we have a close-up of the final product, our Mediterranean chicken salad. Listen, this salad was so good. It is a huge hit in my house. The last time I made it, it was pretty much gone by the next night, okay? It's chock full of flavor, it's chock full of veggies. It's not your standard run-of-the-mill chicken mayo, onion, and celery. If you want flavor, give this recipe a try. I definitely hope you give it a try and let me know what you think. And stay tuned for the crunch, because I know I have some lettuce in here, but it's not that much lettuce in this pita that I'm making. So definitely stay tuned and listen for the crunch from the vegetables from the salad. So until next time, take care, guys. Mm-hmm.